Thank you for taking the time to learn about Allan Block products. The goal of this tutorial is to define all of the products Allan Block offers. We will introduce you to each of the collections, the individual blocks within the collections, and the type of applications the products are used for. The AB collection is our most popular retaining wall collection. With its classic split face and simple clean lines, it's great for large and small projects alike. The AB Europa collection is an antiqued or tumbled finished collection with the feel of old European villages and towns. AB Aztec collection has a smooth and sculpted appearance of a vertical wall with all the benefits and durability of the other Allan Block collections. AB Fieldstone collection is green, natural, and friendly. This two-piece system comes in a variety of faces to give you a natural stone look at a fraction of the cost, easy to install, and is made of recycled materials. How do you choose the right block for the job? There is a wide variety of retaining wall products on the market today and basically perform the same job function. So why choose Allan Block over all the other retaining wall products on the market today? Allan Block retaining wall blocks have a variety of features that distinguish us from the pack. The hollow block core makes the blocks lighter and easier to install. They are available in several texture styles, from split face and antiqued to smooth or a natural stone feel. The raised front lip serves as part of the locking mechanism, so there's no need for pins or mortar, while the bottom notch allows the wall to set back, providing additional support. We offer a contractor certification course for retaining walls to show proper construction techniques. This class can also be attended by dealers who want to learn more about Allan Block retaining walls. The AB collection is the perfect blend of performance and style, which is why it has been the favorite of contractors for years. The AB Stones has a 12-degree setback, weighs about 75 pounds, and is 12 inches deep, 8 inches high, and 18 inches long. Because of its large setback, the AB Stones is great to use on medium to tall commercial retaining walls. With the larger setback, less grid may be used when you build taller walls. The AB Classic has a 6-degree setback, weighs about 75 pounds, and is 12 inches deep, 8 inches high, and 18 inches long. It's our most popular full-size block and is perfect for any project, from landscape walls under 6 feet to larger commercial walls. The AB Vertical is a 3-degree setback, weighs about 75 pounds, and is 12 inches deep, 8 inches high, and 18 inches long. Because of its setback, the AB Vertical is not recommended for the landscape wall market and is typically used on medium to tall commercial retaining walls in areas especially where space is limited. This block is sometimes used for DOT projects and is typically a special order product. AB Rocks is one of Allan Block's first product styles with a 6-degree setback and an angular face. While not as popular as it once was and has limited availability, this block can do everything the AB Classic can do. The AB Jumbo Junior has a 6-degree setback, is 9 inches in length, which is half the length of the AB Classic, and weighs about 35 pounds, making it easier to handle on small projects. They are great for building tighter curves and planters, and are also used to make ashlar patterned walls. The AB Lightstone has a 6-degree setback, is 4 inches tall, which is half the height of the AB Classic, and weighs about 35 pounds for easy handling. They are great for building a low-profile look and are also used to make ashlar blend patterned walls. The AB Junior Light has a 6-degree setback and is 9 inches long and 4 inches tall, which is half the length and height of the AB Classic, and weighs about 18 pounds. They are primarily used in ashlar blend patterned walls, but can also be used for small planters. In addition to these blocks, the AB collection also has corner and cap units to complete any project. These modular blocks can be used individually or combined together to make patterned walls. We have created patterns for 2 and 3 courses to help you design your patterned wall with ease. Use the full AB Ashlar blend pattern, which is all of the blocks, or the AB Ashlar light pattern, which uses all but the AB Classic block. While building a patterned wall will take a little bit more time and labor to install, the look and effect is well worth the work. The AB Europa collection offers the look and feel of weathered, hand-laid stone to the landscape. The AB Dover block has a 6-degree setback, weighs about 80 pounds, and is 10.5 inches deep, 8 inches high, and 18 inches long. It is the antiqued or tumbled equivalent to the AB Classic block. The AB Palermo has a 6-degree setback and is half the length of the AB Dover and weighs about 35 pounds. It is the antiqued or tumbled equivalent to the AB Jumbo Junior block and is great for building tighter curves and planters and is also used to make Abbey blend patterned walls. The AB Barcelona has a 6-degree setback, is 4 inches in height, which is half the height of the AB Dover, and weighs about 40 pounds. It is the antiqued or tumbled equivalent to the AB Light stones. They are great for building a low-profile look and are also used to make Abbey blend patterned walls. The AB Bordeaux has a 6-degree setback and is half the length of the AB Barcelona and weighs about 20 pounds. It is the antiqued or tumbled equivalent to the AB Junior Light block. They are used primarily in Abbey blend patterned walls, but also can be used for small planters. In addition to these blocks, the AB Europa collection has corner and cap units to complete any project. All of the blocks in the AB Europa collection can be used individually or combined together to make a pattern. Using the modular blocks, we have created patterns for 2 and 3 courses to help you design your patterned wall with ease. Use the full Abbey blend pattern, which uses all of the blocks, or the Abbey Light pattern, which uses all but the AB Dover. The AB Aztec collection offers a smooth, molded face look and style, inspired by old Incan walls to emulate a centuries-old feel. The individual block shapes are the same as the AB collection. The AB Aztec Classic, AB Aztec Junior, AB Aztec Light Stones, AB Aztec Junior Light, caps and corners. Each block can be used individually or together to build AB Aztec blend patterned walls. AB Fieldstone collection comes as close as you can get to matching the raw beauty of natural stone with differing textures and colors. This 2-piece system has a facing unit that can offer many different looks and styles, with anchoring units made of recycled materials and a 6-degree setback. The 812 unit weighs about 60 pounds when matched with a short anchoring unit. The 824 weighs about 125 pounds when matched with a short anchoring unit. You can use the 812 and the 824 units individually or combine them together to make patterns. AB Fieldstone comes in a variety of facing styles called series. Each series includes the 812 and 824 facing units, the short and long anchoring units, as well as caps. The Sierra series have a smooth, textured look. The Colonial series has a built-in pattern on each face, and the Heritage series is our wet cast version with the most pattern and texture. AB Fieldstone is not just for retaining walls. You can build 2-sided parapet walls and create patio surrounds, fencing, and planters using the AB dog bone. It looks just like a dog bone, but this little block helps lock the blocks together when building parapets. Allan Block has the advantage. With a retaining wall collection for every project, interchangeable and modular blocks for building patterns, and easy installation with no pins or mortar needed. There is an Allan Block collection for every style. With the variety of styles and textures, Allan Block appeals to a variety of customers, from the upscale to the down-to-earth. Help your customers find the right style for their project with Allan Block. We've talked about the blocks and the styles, but what about structural requirements? What do we need to know about wall strength? First, we need to talk about gravity walls. A gravity wall is a retaining wall that uses the weight of the blocks to hold back the soil it's retaining. So what happens when a gravity wall isn't enough? We add reinforcement. We use GeoGrid, a synthetic mesh-like fabric manufactured for the purpose of retaining soil. There are many types of grid on the market. An AB reinforcement grid is designed specifically for the 6-foot and under retaining wall market. This biaxial grid has the same strength in both directions, so it can be simply rolled out along the wall. Not all geogrids are biaxial. In fact, most large grid rolls are strongest along one direction. These are best suited for larger retaining walls. AB reinforcement grid is designed to be used on walls 6 feet and under and is typically installed on every 2 courses, starting on the top of the first course. GeoGrid is used to tie the soil behind the wall into the blocks themselves, creating a coherent mass, adding strength and structure to the wall. To figure out how much grid you'll need on a project to properly reinforce the wall, use the AB reinforcement wall chart found in the Retaining Walls Manual or on allanblock.com. Now that we've talked about Allan Block retaining walls, what about patio walls? The AB Courtyard Collection is our patio seating wall product and can also be used to create a variety of outdoor elements like outdoor kitchens, water features, fire pits, bars, and more. You can build just about anything with AB Courtyard. The AB Dublin has 2 raised rings on the top, is great for straight walls, and is available in left and right angles. The AB York has 1 raised ring, a long and a short side, and is half the size of the AB Dublin, and is ideal for straight walls and curves. The corner block is used not only for building corners, but for building pillars or posts, and have a long and a short side. Corners don't have tops or bottoms, so they can be flipped to fit as needed. AB Courtyard projects can be built on existing patios or on soil. When building on soil, a level base will need to be constructed. We have many different weekend projects or patio package layouts available to assist with design ideas. These include detailed instructions and videos as well. You can also combine retaining walls and courtyard walls together for a consistent and finished look. Build patio surrounds, fire pits, water features, outdoor seating, bars, kitchens, and small fences. The possibilities with AB Courtyard are limitless. AB Fence is another great product line by Allan Block. Used for sound barriers, privacy screening, beautification, and security, AB Fence is typically used in commercial and DOT settings, but can be used for residential settings as well. AB Fence is a vertical 2-sided system with a split texture on one side and a striated texture on the other. AB Fence is a post and panel system and has a variety of block sizes available to build patterned panels if desired. AB Fence is typically built by a contractor, and there are certification courses available if you have a contractor that's interested in using AB Fence. Allan Block strives to be always better in the products we develop, the information we share, and the tools we have available to help you and your customers with their next project. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. We hope to see you again soon. And for more information, questions, comments, visit our website or connect with us on social media.